Hello again. Whoops. Not focused. Hello again. It's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a pre-primed, and now dry with Mead & Black on my Amazon link. Yes, I recommend it. 18 by 24 inch canvas. And a little sketch. Let's see if I can go down there. See that little tiny sketch right there? That's my waveform. Now I'm going to come right back out again and try and remember to focus and hope that it stays in focus. So I'm going to put this right over here and use it as my basic starting place. And since I see a couple places, actually I'm just going to use the Anita's Navy Blue as my sketch. And it doesn't have to be exact, and I need to have a line of demarcation. Wait, that's got to be over here. Yeah, that doesn't matter. There, we got something. So let's just take some of that and some of my Chantilly lace. Is it open? Wow. I'm inclined to pour that. If it'll come, because I'd like a wet surface. I also want to leave that open and take the clot out of the top, because chances are good I'm going to use that again. There we go, nice big clot. It's time to make up more Chantilly lace. I'm also inclined as I go along to look at this and decide to put some initial colors in place. That was Neptune's Gaze. I've got some unknown thing here that's got to have some Chantilly lace and some Northern Sky or something in it. Whatever it is, it's going to get used as an extension. This is the Frosted. I want a little cerulean blue in here, and I think I better start to fill in some stuff. That's a start. Let's put a little bit of dark purple. That is the deep amethyst, and this is the Twilight Orchid, and this is Black Iris. Which I want some more. And I'm going to go back to Dark Waters. And this over here I have to figure out what goes in here, because I want to be able to use some cell activator. Here's some cerulean blue. I'm going to use a little French silk in here. No, I have no idea exactly what I'm doing, but I'm doing it, so. I may not have enough paint, but then again, I might. I did a really large painting one year. Well, it was a 3 foot by 2 foot, and I just did what I'm doing now and smeared some of my favorite blue colors across it, and it really turned out to be something quite popular with the crowd at the show I did. So doing that again with these absolutely amazing Prizm pour colors from Colour Arte, which there is a coupon directly under the video for 20% off. And yes, I am having a few issues with things in the paint. And every time I swipe with my spatula and I have a little residual, I can just use that. Did I? Yes, I did. I declogged my top. I don't even know if you can see all the way to the edge. I kind of like the black showing through. I hope it's not one of those times where I say I like something and then it'd be really good if I wasn't leaning over my footstool. Then I suddenly maintain that I have to fix it. So I'm going to try and restrain myself from fixing anything right now. It occurs to me I like the true silver. I've just learned to love it. And I might want some of that. And I still need to decide what color goes in here so that I can swipe it with some Aussie Floetrol. And I think I need this to be darker. And I've got some Midnight Shadow. I think I want something lighter in there. So I'm going to use some of my Neptunes Gaze with Frozen mixture. And where is what I'm looking for? I am looking for, hey, why don't I use a little Frozen if I can? A little Frozen, but I am looking for something. There, no, that wasn't it. I'm looking for the Frosted, and it should be right in front of me. That's it, right there. Cool. Now I could put light colors where I saw that I needed light colors, but then I wouldn't be able to get the benefit of the darker colors selling up. So I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing for right now and hope I can get away with it. In a moment. I don't want to overwork the paint. I know that might sound a little odd, but I won't get what I want if I overwork the paint. This is all where my sea foam has to go. I'm trying to keep my eye out for incidentals that don't belong. I am definitely contemplating what colors I think I want in my sea foam. So that was the Twilight Orchid again, wasn't it? Yes, it was. And here is some cerulean blue. Why don't I just put them all in there? That's Water Dragon. And I think I want some dark waters. Helpful if I open it. I've got some paint on my spatula. And I really don't mind that black across the bottom, honestly. So let's get rid of whatever else is on my spatula. That's funny, I could move some paint off with the spatula like that in order to make some marks. I like that idea a lot. And I have paint on my spatula again, so it sort of negated the whole original reason for doing that. But it doesn't matter because I discover things like that all the time. I don't want this perfect. I want all kinds of weird stuff, marks. But I don't want a big bunch of stuff on my edge. Alright, let's go for it. Let's give it a shot. I forgot to leave myself enough room. Let's grab one of my little tools as long as I washed them. Little acetate tools. And how do I like that? I think I need it to be a little more up there. That's not bad. That's really not bad. I'm doing okay with this. I want to take that paint off. I want to use it right in there. I wanted some purple in there too. I wonder if I put my purple in there, if I want it to be before or after the white. Just sort of little figure eights. Let's just put some in there and see what happens. You do need a fairly heavy layer of paint underneath the cell activator. I want that to come down further. Got to be careful not to dig too deep. That's pretty cool. I think I'm okay with that. I'm inclined to use my little tool with any white on there. It occurs to me I could probably put other white on there. Paint is getting a little sticky, so my time is almost up no matter what, and that's sometimes just from the encounter with the tools. But I like that I've got dark in here, and even though it doesn't look exactly like my little sketch, it's still okay. I can put a few marks if I want in with either the acetate tool, and please feel free to ask me if I forget to put the instruction video for creating the acetate tools. How much do I want that closer to the edge? I don't really. I do want to steal some paint. I don't want to undo anything I really like. I think I'm just really lucky that these colors are so completely awesome. And I said I wouldn't get rid of those blacks, but then I did. But I want to use the paint that's on my spatula to create the look of water, the drag. There. And any way you look at it, that looks like a wave to me. It's just a kind of a close-up. So I will try and get that so you can see some shimmer if there's shimmer to be seen. Oh yeah, and that's going to help me find things that do not belong, like that, and bubbles like that. And I could give you a close-up, but it's pretty abstracted. Could definitely put a skewer in there and create a few spirals, but they have to be kind of subtle because the background is black, and they just might not be the right thing to be in here. I like that little center cone. I don't know why, but we've got lots of beautiful sparkle. And like I said, I like the little bits of black showing through the background. I like the texture of it. It creates the impression of water to me. The colors don't hurt. They're very wet. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know that there's over 2,400 videos. And if you can't find what you're looking for by going to my channel and playlists, all playlists, created playlists, ask me because I have them saved by topic and genre. And I want to have one more look at this myself. See if I need anything over here. I really want that smallest tool right here. There, I've got a little bit more what I was after. And I think I'm done. I'm not going to worry about the tops, the top or the sides. If I need to add black to them, I will. Otherwise, it's not a painting that goes over the edges, and that's okay with me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know that there is, at the moment, there's still a monthly drawing happening March 1st. I don't know if there will be any more drawings after that. Memberships may be coming up. I'm kind of wishing I didn't have to do that, but it seems like I may. I love you guys. Thanks for inspiring the heck out of me. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I have a link tree below the video, underneath Show More, underneath the 20% off Prizm Pour Paint Color Art coupon. What else? Please give me a thumbs up when you share my videos. You help me out. I see that thing. I think I'm gonna probably still keep seeing things. The sooner I get them, the less likely they are to make a lasting impression. I am gonna torch really briefly, and the paint is a little bit thin over the black background, so that's cool. I like that from up here. That looks really good. My Linktree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. My Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation, is for students. I do give lessons at the house. I do sell my artwork. You may inquire using my email address that's under the Linktree, easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipes or my cell activator recipes, they should be under the description when you click Show More and drop down all those words. They're there. My community board will have tomorrow's video 90+% of the time, and if you have questions, feel free to ask. You can use my email address, or you can leave me a question in comments. You help everyone when you ask questions, and I answer them. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments already that have helped my morale stay boosted through lackluster views. And thank you for your kind words. You warm my heart, and you inspire the heck out of me. My Amazon link is on the Linktree also, and my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They are the first and the second 100 videos I created for YouTube. And all the processes and the links. If you wind up with the buying it from Amazon, you can get the ebook for $10 on top of the one that you purchased in a soft cover. Anyway, whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video. But check out my Linktree for the Gallerist clothing and Society 6 stuff, and my FineArtAmericanPixels.com and the Spring Clothing under the video. All are places where we can add new artwork to create something that you want if you can't find what you're after. I love you guys dearly. I hope to see you anon. I post at noon and midnight most days right now, and I don't know how long that'll go on for, but that's the way it is at the moment. And take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.